Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. We are in part 6 of the series of videos covering the topic cycloid. In today's video, we'll be smoothing out the cycloid curve to get a smoother curve. We thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix the cycloid, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a new layer. And we're gonna call this construction 2. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put these construction on that layer. I'm gonna put it on construction 2. Then I'm gonna turn it off, okay? Alright, so this needs to go on construction 2. This R. And this R. Alright, let's enter the drawing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plot the this line. We can delete this line. This line was actually the line to locate where P was, okay? Let us put it on the construction tool layer. Alright, so let's plot the points now. So we're gonna go to spline and let's go now. So I'm gonna turn on object snap. I'm gonna plot it now. So we're gonna go there, 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 there. I'm gonna shift it over. There, 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 there. Enter. All right. So this is our cycloid. So good job if you got it correct. Let us turn on the dimension. And right, there is our cycloid given the showing the diameter times pi to give us 157. We're gonna turn on now the construction two layer to show you how we get this. So this would have been the cycloid. I'm going to show you now the cycloid with its normal and tangent. So come now. So it would be construction tool. There it is. And the construction So let us turn off the construction and see. So this would be this. Let's unlock the construction layer. Right. So this would be the cycloid with the tangent and normal. What we need to do, let's go and look at the construction layer and see. Oh, the construction too. The line weight should be the default, so let's put it back there. Press OK, and then we close it now. Right, the normal and the tangent should be on the outline layer, right? So this is our completed drawing. So good job if you got it correct. And if you wanted to show the construction, this is the construction there. Good? All right. So good job. All right. We have come to the end of part 6 of the series of videos covering the topic cycloid. In today's video, we smoothen the cycloid curve and we thank you for joining us. In the next video, we'll be looking at the epicycloid. So we look forward to having you then. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.